The first step is to log on to GetCREDIBLE.pro and create an account. You can either continue on web, or you can download our app on the Play Store. To quickly create an account with your email address. So once you've logged in, you can tap on ecosystem and then create a project over here. So it's going to ask you to give a name for the project and then click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to ask you to invite members to the project so that they can help give feedback. So I'm going to give my name, and then I can give the email addresses of the people who I want to invite. And I can go on adding different people that are involved in this project. This is going to go out and send an email invitation. Either you can tap on the action item over here, or you can click on milestones and then tap on the project that you want to post a milestone for. And then you have an option to create a new milestone. Your milestone name is basically a small identifiable description of what you accomplished. And then I can select a date for when I actually completed the milestone. You can see over here the following information that is recommended to have in a milestone. So now I have completed typing out my milestone. And then if I'm happy with it, I can hit publish. It's going to ask me to confirm. I'm going to click on publish. And this is going to go ahead and publish my milestone. You can start this by clicking on the profile picture at the top of the screen and completing your personal info. Once that is done, you can monitor your progress in the progress section. This will provide a beautiful graph which details the progression of your Procreate rating. And once that is done, you can publish your slate. So you can tap on slate, and then you have an option to customize your personal link. So I can click on edit link to create a new link for myself. You can customize this. And once that is done, all we need to do is click publish, and then your slate is ready to be shared with the world. All you need to do is click on the share button, and this personal link will be shared with anyone who you choose on any social media platform.